The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Coles County, east central Shelby County, northwestern Cumberland County, until 7 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Neoga, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Neoga around 6:40 p.m. Janesville around 6:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Toledo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 173 and 181. Interstate 70 between mile markers 115 and 116.